bad news ako na-receive at emails from my clients na nagkaroon ng problema. Anyways, it's part of the business. Tonight, makikita kami ni Mamang, if you know Mamang Manny. Ayan. So I'm very excited to see him again after a couple of months. And hopefully, walang delayed sa flight. Alright, so ang haba ng pila sa may check-in. Almost 2 hours pa naman before ng flight. Ang haba ng pila, nakakaloka. Pag-check-in ako and I'm heading to the immigration. It will be a full flight from Bali to Kuala. And nakapag-request naman ako ng window seat for Kuala to Bangkok trip. I'm very excited for this. Nabumalik ng Thailand after a week. No? Kaya sige, punta muna ako ng immigration. How did you guys be doing? Bye-bye! Okie dokie. So, I'm heading to the gate now and bumili ako sa duty free. Ayan. So, bumili na naman ako. Alam niyo naman ang nagkakaadikan ko dito. Mga syubango. And as I have like 50 more minutes before ng flight. And I'm a bit starving. Alright, so ito may turning past half 12 and it's supposed to be 12:20 dapat yung boarding time. Nandiyan na naman yung planes, pero we're just waiting for the boarding call and nagbubutom lang mga moms. So, I'm leaving Bali officially. Hopefully, makabalik ako. Not very soon, but hopefully, diba? Chill time lang dito. And, it's the view outside. Ayun ang plane. And ayun, so boarding na kami. Papasok na ako ng plane at na-haggard ako dahil ang haba ng pila. Yay! Finally! Nakasama ko nag-vlog ko pabalik ng Bangkok. Ay, grabe. Naantok na ako. Kulangan kasi ako sa kapit. Hinang-hina ako today. Anyways, ayun na. So, natin sana maging smooth yung flight and walang
and mouth. Pull on the bands to tighten. Breathe normally.
Ayan! So, I'm back. Nandito na ulit ako sa Bangkok with Mama.
Welcome.
Medyo blurred yung ano kasi may moist yung car.
Good to see you, sister.
Yes! Ayan! So, quick make-up lang to with Mama kasi may binigay lang ako sa kanya and I'm just waiting for my driver.
For the t-shirt.
You're welcome.
Bali.
Alam mo
Bali,
yan.
Indonesia. That's my request for him.
Ang tagal-tagal niya nang ni-request yan. Parang since last year pa.
Kaya every time kung saan siya mapupuntang bansa, I always request him.
Exactly. At ang
T-shirt.
tagal ng ano.
Collecting my t-shirt.
So, dito. Ayan. 3. O siya, dito ko na i-end ang vlog na to. Thanks for watching, guys. Please give me a comment and subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet.
See you
Thanks.
next time.
Bye.